Hey everyone, welcome back to TechZist. So, as a software developer, we have to keep ourselves updated about latest technologies, latest programming features, and we can say programming news. And during this time of coronavirus, where many software developers are work remotely and there are very much fewer social interaction, right? So for many software developers, staying up to date with the latest programming news is important. Changes in tech happen all the time, and you all agree that there are many resources available on the internet, but it takes a lot of time to find the best resources for you to keep yourself updated, and sometimes it is very exhausted. In this video, I am going to share 10 amazing newsletters that you can find very helpful. And a newsletter can be a good source of getting updated about the progress that is happening within the industry, right? So let's see the 10 newsletters. First newsletter is JavaScript Weekly. So this is basically for JavaScript developers, and you will find here JavaScript tutorials, cool projects, articles, and also you can find your job details related to JavaScript. So I can say this is a full complete pack for JavaScript developers, and the frequency of article is weekly, so you can find one article per week. Second newsletter is PyCoders Weekly. So this is a free weekly email newsletter for Python developers. This newsletter will give you or will update you about upcoming Python events, Python articles and tutorials, Python jobs, projects and codes. And also this newsletter will discuss the problems that you are faced in Python. The frequency of articles is weekly, so you can find one article per week. Talking about third one, Dev Digest. So this is a newsletter via Dev Community, and Dev Community is very big community. What you will get from this article, so this article will provide you about every technology, about every latest feature that is implementing in the world. So if you want to keep yourself about every technology that is implementing, you can follow this newsletter. Fourth newsletter is O'Reilly newsletter. So this is newsletter where you can find exclusive content, offers and more on the topic of software development. So what you will find here, you will find some interesting projects, programming, articles. You can find about some latest technologies that are implementing and that are most useful for software developers. Fifth newsletter is GitHub Explore. It is a perfect way to keep on top of everything, because we all know that how much popular is the platform GitHub, right? And every Tuesday they will send you an email with everything they found for you in the past week, and it is based on your interest. So what you will get from here is trending repositories, trending developers, articles, events, and this is all based on your interest. Talking about sixth one, Software Lead Weekly. This newsletter is basically for leadership, and it is for busy people who care about people, culture and leadership. So you will find here about inspiring tweets, articles about people and culture, guide on leadership. So here you will find the content about leadership. Talking about next one, it is newsletter by SitePoint. So here you will find freshest resources and stories for developers, and this is for developer, designer and digital creators. You will get here about tips for writing better code, articles for web development and many resources. The frequency of letters is daily, so you will find a new letter on daily basis. Talking about next one, Hacker Newsletter. So this is a newsletter of best articles on startup, technology, programming and more. Here you will find some best articles on startup or technologies, some list of books are there, startup news and so much fun stuff here. Next newsletter is Smashing Magazine. So we can say this newsletter is for web developers or designers, because every Tuesday they send out an editorial email newsletter with useful tips and techniques on front end and UX. So here you will get latest design ideas, inspiration for web designings. So this is for front end and UX designers. Last newsletter is Hashnote. This newsletter is shipped weekly and contains the summary of best developer discussions and blog posts. So you will find here about latest technologies, about latest blogs on software development, on web development, on latest technologies and programming language. So these are 10 best newsletters for developers, and in my personal opinion, if you want to keep yourself updated about latest technologies, latest programming language and all the latest features that are implementing in the world, so these are best and enough options for you. This is it for this video guys, and if you have any query, please let us know in the comment section. Your queries and suggestions are always welcomed, and all the links for these newsletters are in description. You must check out these newsletters. Thanks for watching guys, and you can also follow us on other social media pages. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.